Hello YouTube. I want to make this video here to show you guys a little bit about the parts that we are about to install on the car tomorrow, and some sound clips of the Borla exhaust that we just installed. We actually installed the exhaust yesterday. Mustang Lifestyle had it installed for us. I do look a little bit sleepy on the video. I got up in the morning, went to Cars and Coffee, but didn't have no coffee. Did see lots of cars. Actually got a chance to see a UFC fighter, Jakari Sosa, which was pretty cool. You know, he fell in love with the GT500, gave me a fist bump. So anyway, without further ado, let's look at some of the parts here that we've purchased to install on the car. So let's talk a little bit about the goodies that we have here store in place for this GT500. So first and foremost, we have a Whipple manifold for the intercooler. What it does, it creates more flow of coolant to keep the compression cooler. Here we have a Whipple. Step out of the way here. A Whipple intercooler. Again, those two go hand in hand, so they cool down the compressed boost. Free up more temperature. Here we have a JMS fuel pump booster we got from Mustang Lifestyle. Now this will increase the output of the fuel pump in order to help keep more fuel in the engine. Now let's look at the remaining parts. Here's all the hardware, the hoses for the fuel rails, which we have right here. So let's turn these around here, and I'm not gonna unwrap them since really unwrapped for tomorrow's install. Here's the fuel rails in here. Again, same thing, create more fuel, add more fuel to the engine, which will help get us to that 1,000 horsepower to go. Here we have 1300 cc injectors. Again, whenever you start creating more boost, you definitely need more fuel. Here we have looks like a heavy duty belt. That belt is going to be for the 265 pulley is what we decided to go with. Let's see here. Here it is right here. So we went with a 265 pulley. We think this is going to be enough to get us, you know, the horsepower range we want, and that's about 1,000 horsepower. So here's the hub for the pulley, and here's the tool to get pulley off the blower. Right here, this big old bad boy right here. So now actually the ported blower, Joker's Performance, sent us a core that was already, not necessarily a core, I mean, but an actual ported blower. That blower is went directly to Mustang Lifestyles, Andrew's house. The car is going tomorrow, Monday. It's going to be going in the shop. So basically we're gonna have everything installed on it. That's why the blower went directly to him. I mean, carrying I think those things weigh like 90 pounds. We didn't want to be carrying it around. So basically the goal again is to get it to 1,000 horsepower. This is some of the parts here. All these parts were sourced out by Mustang Lifestyle through Lethal Performance. Some of the parts, some of them through Ken at Palm Beach Dyno. So, you know, all this stuff here is definitely going to help us get to our end goal. And again, it's 1,000 horsepower to the wheels. We're not too far from there. We should get there without any problem. It should be pretty easy with all these parts. And if we don't make it with everything we've got here, then, you know, we'll find a way to make it. But we're definitely going to make 1,000 rear wheel horsepower, regardless of what else we have to do. So again, just wanted to share with you guys some of the parts here that we have, and we will be sharing everything you know, the install and everything through Mustang Lifestyle's YouTube channel. He's got definitely more subscribers, and you know, he knows how to do these things, you know, basically piece by piece. So we'll talk with him, and you know, once he gets the video up, make sure you check it out. Now that we've looked at the parts that we purchased to install, now let's look at this Borla exhaust that we just installed, and hopefully you guys like it. Here I want to share some of the Borla exhaust stuff that we've done to the car. If you can see here, we have 5-inch black chrome tips. These are directly from Borla. Look very nice. Look at this side here. And you know, here's a really short cold start clip midday. The exhaust actually looks very, very good. Sounds good. We really didn't like the way it sounded. I mean, it sounded like a straight pipe car. For me, I like a little bit of a different tone. So yes, the exhaust was expensive. Yes, it's something new that Borla just came out with, but it's something that we wanted to switch out and see how it sounded. So I am going to give you guys a few revs, a few sound clips, just so you have a kind of an idea of what it sounds like. Now Mustang Lifestyle will do a review of the install, some before and after clips. Again, most of the reviews that we are going to be performing on the car is going to be through his channel. More or less, this is just some extra stuff, extra footage on my end with my way of, you know, the way I do the videos. And if you do have any questions, again, don't forget to ask. So definitely, so basically, let's listen up.